Is there a dead end when supersizing your business? Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. This is a kids game from a menu that my sisters and I took the girls to lunch the other day for a day before Christmas Eve lunch. And this was actually my daughter's drawing. She's 27. And her coloring. But on the back of the menu, there's one of these run into the dead end places. And so you have to find the penguins' path to each other. And of course, my granddaughter did hers, but this one isn't filled out yet. But as you can see, there's only one path through the maze. Everything else is a dead end. Our idiom, our expression today for supersize your business, our December idiom, Christmas bear friend and I, is a dead end. Now, a dead end used to mean in the 1880s, it was used to describe the ending of a pipe. So it was used in pipe fitting and water. And when you had a closed pipe, a closed water pipe, that was called a dead end. I think it still is. But in the 1920s, it took on the meaning that it has now. That means it came to mean a situation that there's really no escape from, right? So think of all the escape rooms and fun things that they have now, but there really is an escape, right, from an escape room. So it started to mean an end without an exit, or a position or a situation or a circumstance or a course of action that really didn't lead any further. It wasn't really going anywhere. So I think of a dead-end job, right? Dead-end jobs. What's an example of a dead-end job? Maybe digging ditches. Reminds me of the movie Holes, a Disney movie Holes, where the kids were the bad kids in a boys' prison were required to dig holes in the desert. And digging ditches is probably a pretty dead-end job because you're just digging a hole. Unless, of course, you're planting trees or doing something that's going to lead to something else. So dead-end jobs. I think of a job that doesn't have any chance for advancement. Maybe, what are some dead-end jobs? Personally, I think housework is a dead-end job. But we all have to do it, right? Now, just because something is repetitive, doesn't mean it's unnecessary, right? Personal hygiene is repetitive. We have to brush our teeth every day. We have to take baths and showers and clean ourselves and go to the bathroom. We have to do things over and over again, but they're necessary. So if they're necessary, then I don't define them as dead end. I also think there's a difference between a dead end, meaning we run into a brick wall, versus choosing to end something. I've been in lots of different businesses, in lots of different, not really that many different careers, but, you know, mostly leadership, manufacturing, management, things like that. But in lots of different businesses and lots of different industries. Now, just because I chose to end my association with some company or some business didn't mean it was a dead end. It just meant I was ready to move on to something different. So keep in mind that an ending of something isn't necessarily a dead end. I guess we're only at a dead end when we're actually expiring, when we're actually dead. That would be the end of actually this life experience, but it's not necessarily the end either. To me, if something is repetitive, it doesn't have to be a dead end or a dead end job. It begs, if it's necessary and repetitive, to me, it begs automation. It begs outsourcing. It begs a way to automate the process so that the necessary things get done, but we don't necessarily have to be the one doing them. It's like outsourcing my accounting, or outsourcing my laundry, or outsourcing my grocery shopping. I think one of the benefits of COVID-19 is that it has taught a lot of us that we spent a lot of time and energy in unnecessary activities. When I think about how much time in my life I have spent grocery shopping or shopping at a store, only to come and realize in 2020 that I could just call or put an order online and it would show up at my front door. Miraculous and life-changing. So curious if you think that you've hit dead ends when supersizing and growing your business. If we go down a wrong road, it isn't necessarily a dead end. It might be a dead end for our project or an end stop for our project. But as long as we continue to move and take another direction, it isn't a dead end for us. And it's definitely not a dead end for supersizing our business. I think once you've decided you're going to grow and supersize your business and create something in the world, there's never a dead end. It's never a dead stop unless you choose to let go of it, unless you choose to quit. So share in the comments below your experience with this expression, a dead end. I guarantee I've said we've hit a dead end here, meaning we've hit a point in a project where we don't have any more solutions, or we've decided that we don't want to pursue it anymore. Then it's a dead end. All right. Have an awesome day. I will, of course, be with you tomorrow with another ending idiom to end the year. We'll end off 2021 with ending idioms. All right. Have an awesome day. I'll be with you tomorrow.